welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a I guess the opening of this Marc Jacobs beauty box. This box was sent to me by Influenster. They have an app which I'll leave the link in the description box, and yeah, so I've sent this box from Marc Jacobs beauty, and I haven't opened it yet, so I don't really know what's inside or what to expect. So yeah, so now I'm gonna open it. Let's get into the video, guys. So first off, the packaging is quite nice. It's quite simple, it's fairly classy, it's decent packaging. And then when you open it now, it has a little book, and it tells you that it's introducing the eyeliner, which is matte gel, which is interesting. Then it has all the different colors that it comes in, if you can see that. Yeah. And then you have to and it shows you all the crayons and what they look like. So I'm guessing that's what's in my box, these eyeliner crayons. And then it's just got a little guide of how to use the eyeliners and how you can apply the eyeliners in different ways and different styles, I guess. And then there's more styles, you know, more creative stuff with a few little tips underneath, and that's it. And then there's just a little link on the back to share your looks on Instagram, Twitter, or whatever platform is that you're on. Then I have the actual 2 liners from Marc Jacobs, which is pretty cool. Packaging for these individually is really nice. Just try and open this. So I've been sent the pink one. Don't know if you can see it. Oh my god, this is so hard. There we go. And so just pop the lid off. It looks like this, and on my hand it looks like this. So it's pretty good pigmentation, it's very smooth, and let's just see how much product you actually get. So I'm scared to roll it up anymore, so I'm going to bring it back down, but that's the amount of product that you actually get for your money, which is, I think, is pretty decent. Then, so that's the first one in the shade, what color is this? Let me just check. Popular. Yeah, Popular, which is a very nice, it's a nice color. I like this one. You can probably see myself using it. Just gonna my eyebrows because I'm not supposed to open them, so like that. What's going on? Then we have the second eyeliner crayon, and this one is a dark blue color. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a darkish blue color, and the lids are kind of hard to open. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna roll it up. And that's the colour of the dark blue one. Overall, I think the pigmentation on them is really nice, and the smoothness is also really nice, because when you draw in your hand, it just kind of comes off. As well as this, it's fairly smudge resistant, because I'm smudging, put my hand up, and it's not really moving too much. Whereas if I was to use another liner, for example, this one, if I were to smudge it, it would move, whereas these ones have kind of still stayed there. So it's these 2 liners are really good. They both retail, these 2 liners both retail for £20 each on sites like John Lewis and things like that. So for £20, I would say you definitely get your money's worth, because the quality is pretty good, the packaging is pretty good in comparison to drugstore makeup. There's definitely a difference, because for example, This is also a liner that I have. I think it's a gel liner, I'm not really sure. This is the packaging that I got on this one that I bought from the hair store. And this was £1. And then obviously these ones I was sent by Influenster. They're £20 and you can really see the difference in packaging. You know, this one clearly looks much cheaper than these two. So yeah, there was a lot of thought that was put into the packaging process and the makeup process, and I think that these two liners are really good. So yeah, and then that's it guys, nothing else in the box. It's just some tissue paper and that's it. So download the download the Influenster app. You can get it on the Apple Store, and I think you can get it on Android as well, Play Store, I'm not really sure, but I think you can. Yeah, and check them out. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications, and leave a comment below this. Leave a comment below if you enjoy videos like this, and also follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys.